Nicholas Tyson here, Head of Customer Success at TaxDome. I'm so excited to be here in San Diego at the IRS Tax Forum with Barbara with Hilltop Taxes. She's here in California, and we're going to talk about her experience. She's not new to accounting and tax, but new to owning her own business and new to TaxDome since October. So first off, tell us a little bit more about your business and the customers you serve.
My business serves small businesses, and I like to help out people where I can. So I don't make a lot of money in my business, but I am very satisfied with the work that I do.
I love that. I love that. And that's really important, right? In these days world.
Yes.
Are you happy doing what you're doing?
I'm very happy,
Can you get home every night, have a sleep, have dinner, and be fine?
Yes.
That's it. Good.
Yes.
And hopefully TaxDome helps us make your life a little bit easier while doing that.
Absolutely.
Very good. So let's talk about this. We've talked about, you started your business back in October, and you decided you came to, tell that story. I want to tell it for you. Tell us a story about this IRS show, and what this means to you and your business, and how you chose TaxDome. Like, how did that happen last year?
So I was working for a big box company, and I just felt that I had done everything I could do there.
Yes.
So I was thinking of going out on my own, and when I came to the IRS Forum, I came across two people, Drake and TaxDome, that got me to thinking I could do this on my own. So I looked into the different softwares and programs and have landed very happily with the software in TaxDome. So
lovely, glad to hear that. Now, for you being a new business owner, what advice would you give someone thinking about changing over to TaxDome? Should they do it at the beginning? Should they wait a little bit? Like, what's your kind of experience, your thoughts around that?
I think that you should do it at the beginning, especially starting a business. I've never ran a business before, so there's a lot of things I need to learn, and I enjoy learning everything in the beginning. So instead of getting all this situated and then throwing TaxDome in at the end would be it would be a lot. So learning all the stuff and getting everything implemented in the beginning with TaxDome and the software, I would suggest going that way.
That's a great insight, because we have a lot of people that are starting a business for the first time, either, like you mentioned, been in the business for years, but now ready to go on their own, or maybe they're like, you know what, I just got out of college, got my accounting degree, I'm gonna go and do it on my own. And getting the right technology stack in place is so important to make sure you be efficient at the beginning. So you've been with us, you have your customers implemented now in TaxDome. How have your customers enjoyed utilizing TaxDome?
My customers have enjoyed TaxDome. It's very easy to use on the other end as well. And I have approached a couple of my non-app clients, people who don't want to use the computer or be on their phones for anything. And like I said, 3 of them have accepted TaxDome and the ease of using it.
There you go. That's a win. Yeah, that's a win. That's all we need. I love that. I love that. Let's talk about features. Now, we talked off mic about a few different things, but what's your favorite feature at TaxDome, or something that's really helped you in your firm?
The pipeline is my favorite feature.
Okay. Why so?
Because it puts everything in order of what needs to be done. So I've talked to this person, the next thing is a phone call, the next thing is an email. Yes. And it just kind of guides me through what I know to do. Yeah. But when you get busy in tax season, it's like, where am I at with all these clients?
Exactly. So be able to see everything. I'm pretty sure some automation's there too to help you do something automatically. So you don't have to do it, especially again as a new business owner, right? Having all those processes in place, automating some processes to be able to be efficient. Okay, very good. Let me ask you this question. We talked a lot about, what people should choose in their business, but simply put, what would you say to someone thinking about choosing TaxDome as their practice management software? What would you say to them?
I would say go for it. I love TaxDome. I do. I see what it's going to do for me and my business, and I think that when I'm going to be completely honest, when I first got into this software, I was like, what the heck? There's so much stuff, and what is this, and what is that?
It's very deep,
But as soon as I just spent the time and got to know the software and where it's going with it, I can see it's going to help me and my business. So
you heard it here first. Just go for it. It's going to help you in your business be more efficient and be happy in your company.
Yes.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.